So hi, I'm Janet Grace with Grace's Place Foundation, and our passion is to provide sustainable, ongoing support for women and their children who have experienced domestic abuse or any form of abuse. And so as we are expanding our online programs, because we founded the organization in 2020 when we were all in lockdown, we're now expanding our programs to do in-person events like creative arts classes. We're going to be doing vision boards for children of all ages, jewelry making, painting classes, all kinds of ways for us to really tap into that part in us that wants to express itself. And also it's such a beautiful healing way to feel as if you have an opportunity to just do whatever feels right for you and know that whatever's coming out of you is beautiful. And so the children love it, the women love it, men love it. So, and we are here in the Big Bear Lake community, really exploring different ways that we can serve and support this community in bigger ways. We also have an ongoing program called Freedom Beyond Abuse that we'll be taking segments of it and doing workshops, doing events at some of the local organizations, the Chamber Sessions Retreat Center that offers such beautiful, amazing, supportive environment for us to do these creative classes and really bring the community in. And some of the programs include freedom through forgiveness, gratitude past grace, conscious communication classes, and not just women and children of domestic abuse can benefit from these classes, but everyone can. And the truth of the matter is we've all just gone through an extraordinary experience. I don't know that I would actually call it exquisite, but extraordinary experience and experiment with humanity as we all really experience trauma from the isolation and all of the things that happened through COVID. And so we're all in this healing journey together. So stay tuned to gracesplacefoundation.org and see what kind of classes, workshops, events, day-long experiences we're going to be providing and promoting for really allowing every one of us to really be a part of creating a world free of abuse. So these are some of the promotional products that we have on our website, along with t-shirts and mugs and different things to really get the word out. Because the truth of the matter is, we're all in this together, and each and every one of us can participate in creating a world free of abuse.